You are very, very, very welcome to this channel. You are very, very, very welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to play every song by ears on the lead guitar. How to play every song by ears on the lead guitar. If you watch the video very carefully from the beginning, I was playing a song. I was doing it for you to see it before I can explain how to play every song by ears. And the song I was playing, You Alone. You see, this is the song I was playing. So in this situation, how to play every song by ears. How to play every song by ears. You see, if you are a beginner or an intermediate, sometimes you find it difficult playing some songs by ear. You see, you need to develop this kind of musical ears. You need to develop it, but there is a technique to it. Before developing it, you need to know the process. The process of developing it is very, very, very important. So how was I able to play all these songs by my ears? And I was even adding some solo to it, and after the solo I was able to hit the song I was playing. So let's go straight to the point. To play every song by ears, this is C. So you can start your song from any angle of the lead, but before you play every song by ears, the first step you have to know is the C. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re. You see, then you have to know your do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. You see, so you are going to use this kind of sofa or the do, re, mi, fa, so to play the song. So if you see somebody playing songs by ears, he's not playing it with a scale. He's not playing it with any chromatic or maybe do-re or maybe any other scale or any other pattern, but he's using the do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do to play the song. So all your song is going to be within this kind of do, re, mi, fa. So any song that you play do, mi, zi, or la, any diatonic or accidental chord or accidental note, it's not part of the song, but you are trying to spice your song. That is the reason why you put it over there. So in this situation, how to play every song by ears. You see, most of songs, if you are going to start singing, most of song, it starts from me and so, and sometimes you start from do. These three things you have to know if you want to play any song. Like, let's take this song. We glorify your name. You see, I start from so far, so far, me, fa, mi, re. You see, so I started from the so. Of the song starts from so, either me, you see, so we qualify your name starts from so far, me, fa, mi, re. Oh my Lord, we glorify your so let's crucify. You see, I took the song crucify. Lay behind the stool. You see, it starts from me, re, fa. It starts from me, then go to re, then go to fa. Crucify. Me, re, fa. fast I took it from the mi, and the glorify your name I took it from the so. You see, so I told you most songs start from me and so. Crucify me. You see, we glorify. So then, you see, so if you watch what I'm trying to tell you, sometimes as a beginner or intermediate, and you don't know where songs mostly start from, you see, if they read the song, you go to do, re, mi, or then you are confused or fa. Before a song, I've never played a song that started from fa. Yeah, because fa is mostly at the middle of the song. They always come to middle of the song, and this kind of so, they always come. Either the song is going to end, most so come from the ending. You see, and the mi always come from the leading of the song. You see. So if you want to play every song by ears, then the steps you have to follow after your do re mi fa so, you have to know that if they say play song like we are the world, you see, we are the world, mi re do la, you see, mi re do la, you see, the we are the world. I took it from mi re and do and la. So the mi is the strongest note for starting song. It always leads song. We are the world. So I took it from. Then let's do this thing. You are for let's take this song. So the you are for I told you the mi, the so, and the do. So this is we got it from the do, re, mi. You see, do, re, mi, do, re, mi. So you see this kind of do and the mi and the so. If you want to play every song by ears, the mostly things you have to know is either the song starts from mi, do, or so. So if you want to play as a beginner and you don't have any idea about you spelling any song and you are facing challenges, if you take the song, you start from the mi. If it doesn't go to the do. If it doesn't go to the so, and you get it. That is the simple way, and you get it. But if you are trying to bring something out of your mind, you go to la, you will never get it. You will never get it. Before you get the la, mean the song is at the middle, or the song is at a point that you have to hit the la chord. So you go and take the key. So if your ears deceive you and you start from la, you realize that your do will not come and end at the C. Maybe you will come and end at the A, and you see you are not playing C. Because when you took your la, it was a mi at a different key. So after ending the song, you end up ending at different key, and you go off from the key. You see, so the secret and the powerful way to play every song by ears is this kind of do, mi, and the so. Let's take this thing. Da na si. So la. You see, if we say, oh yeah, I started from the middle. See, if we say, oh yeah, you see, so la so, you see, so da na si. You see, they're starting from do. See, I started from do, but the middle is so la. So I told you that this kind of land, they always come at the middle of a song. This kind of land, they always come at the middle of the song. And this kind of fan, they always come after you raise the song. And you raise the song and you are like, you spark the car, and you start, then you hit the fa. You see, then the fa will manifest the song for you. Like, it's going to hold it for you, for the song to manifest. You see, so if you follow this lesson very careful, you will understand it and you play a very good and perfect melody and you play a sweet songs. Okay, so this is how to play the song. This is how to play the song. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe for more videos. Bye.